Hi. Let's listen in on Christy Rogers as she talks about the My Content folder in the Gallery tab. She's going to help us organize our lessons.
Smart Notebook has a great tool that allows you to access frequently used images or sounds or other content inside of Notebook. And it lives inside your Gallery tab, which is the second tab down over in the navigation area of Notebook. You'll see at the very top of your Gallery tab menu a folder called My Content. My Content, again, is a great place to store frequently used images, sounds, interactives that you have inside of Notebook. Let me show you an example. Let's say this image of the cover of the book Swindle is something that I want to use over and over again. I simply grab that image in Notebook, drag and drop it into my content folder, and you'll see what happens. Once I select my content under Pictures, if I go to a blank page, there is my image, and I can again just drag and drop it right into Notebook. I can even rename it. So it's easier to find. Now, another great feature in the My Content folder is the ability to add new folders. So let me give you an example here. I already have a folder named Mike. Let me set up a folder named Christy. So let's say Christy and Mike are students of mine. I have specialized activities that I want them to complete on the board or the interactive flat panel. I can very quickly and easily create folders that contain the content that I want them specifically to interact with. And as we know, the most effective and rigorous use of our boards or our interactive flat panels are when our students are on them 60 to 70% of the time. So this is just a great way for me to give them easy access to that content.
Thanks for joining us.